First, drill three holes on the tube plant, following the drawing we sent. These holes are for mounting the tripods. These are the tripods fixing fittings. We will install them one by one. Once the tripods are fitted, put the striking cover. This one. Then push the rotary wing out through the striking cover. Lay the gaskets and throw the tripod and put a screw again. Fasten. Fasten the air pipe and the screws. Make it fasten well. This installation is for full metal H-type unit. The standard separate model is a bit different look. This place is use a screw, not a gasket. And the most important is this part. It's separate. I will show you. Look, the rotary wing is separate. First, install the upper section the same way to the H-type unit. There is a spring here. Then we proceed to fit the lower section. Okay, it's fastened well. The H-type rotary wing requires reserved installation space at the bottom to fit the filter cartridge as the rotary wing is fixed. Okay, let's show you. Fit the filter cartridge from the bottom. Fix the upper section. Then the next. Roll the filter cartridge bottom. Then fix the first one. Fasten it well. Then fix the gasket, the screw. fasten it. Okay, let's the H-type air filter cartridge is fixed well. The standard separator model features no demand for the bottom space, even if the bottom space is insufficient. We can put the upper section of the rotary wheel inside the filter cartridge first before installation. Let's begin the installation. Inside the upper section inside the filter cartridge, first install it. Okay, fasten it. And fasten this one. Fasten this one. Then we install the air filter. This one first, and this one next. Fasten it. Okay, that's okay. It's the demo of the installation for the standard separator rotary wheel.